Hi, my name's Marissa. I'm from Altoona, Pennsylvania. I hope to major in chemistry next year at Millersville University. I am passionate about stoichiometry. I think it's a big thing in chemistry, and I love it. I love converting anything using stoichiometry. So here we go. So stoichiometry is a calculation of the quantities of chemical elements or compounds involved in a chemical reaction. Therefore, it's just stating that we use stoichiometry to find out how much of a chemical or compound we need in order to make a reaction work. And for this, you need to know that a mole is equal to 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. And a mole is just a unit of measurement, kind of like how 12 eggs is also called a dozen. So for this equation, we're going to be using magnesium chloride and a simple dissociation of magnesium and chlorine we need. So we're going to start with 15 grams, and we hope to find out how much chlorine we need. Therefore, in stoichiometry, I use the picket fence method, and we start with 15 grams magnesium chloride, like we said before in the equation. And then we know that 95.21 grams is the molar mass of magnesium chloride. We take that, and we know we have 1 mole of magnesium chloride for every 95.21 grams. And then with that, we also have 1 mole of magnesium chloride for every 2 moles of chlorine. And then we know we have 1 mole of chlorine for every 35.45 grams. So then what we do is we just multiply the top. So you multiply 15 times 1 times 2 times 35.45. And then you multiply the bottom. So it would be 95.21 times 1 times 1. And then you divide them out. And then we got our answer to be 11.17 grams of chlorine. Now, we did this to grams, but you can also do it to moles. Like I said before, so we start at 15 grams magnesium chloride, and then we have 95.21 of magnesium chloride, and that's the molar mass. And then we have the 1 mole of magnesium chloride for every 95.21 grams. And then the 1 mole of magnesium chloride for every 1 mole of magnesium chloride. And then for every 1 mole of magnesium chloride, we have 2 moles of chlorine. And then, so again, you do the same thing. You multiply the top. So 15 times 1 times 2 over 95. So that's 30 over 95.21. And that gives you 0.3151 moles of chlorine. And that is stoichiometry. Thank you so much.